This site will pay you $3.50 per answer. Okay, so in this video I'll be showing you sites that you can use to make up to $10 daily, okay, with no skills. So if this is your first time on this channel, kindly hit the red subscribe button so you can show subscribe, like subscribe button, okay, turn notification bell so you can find out drop a new video on this channel. I post content how to make money online. So if this is your first time, you can actually come back to my videos and check out my videos if you are yet to make your first dollar online. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Okay, so the name of the website here is Survimo. Okay, so you can see you earn from your answer, get paid up to $3.50 per answer. Okay, so the money you earn differs per country. Okay, so if I select Australia, okay, if I select Australia, you'll be earning close to $7 per answer. Okay, so how to get started? Click here, start earning here, and you register an account. So how to make money with Survimo? You register with the same email you use while for your PayPal account. Okay, so the email you use to register your PayPal account is the same email you use to sign up on this platform. You receive direct survey invitation via email and complete them and make money. Okay, as soon as you reach the payment threshold, you can withdraw money to your PayPal account instantly. Okay, so signing up takes less than 30 seconds. Okay, and you can start making money. Okay, so if you want to read more about Survimo, you can come back to their website, read about it. Okay, they have been around since 2014. Okay, and they have paid some amount of people. Okay, so to sign up, you can just go down, enter your email address, password, repeat your password, select your gender, date of birth, postal code, then sign get access. Okay, so it's very easy. You just get paid to share your opinion, meaning like survey on some topic. Okay, so the second website here is afrisite.com. Take part in our paid service and earn reward. Okay, so this is available for African countries. Okay, and I think for some other countries, but most likely for Africa. Okay, JoinNow, take survey, earn reward and cash. Okay, so you help government, brand and NGOs take well founded decision in Africa. So you be sharing your opinion on market and brands, market and industry companies, health and wellness, people, politics related surveys. Okay, so is that very easy, and you can see some testimonies from people. As a student, website came as a blessing, now I earn extra pocket money. Okay, so let's see the rewards. Okay, how you can cash out. Okay, they pay you via cash using mobile wallet. For some countries mobile wallet, but Nigeria here I'm not sure about that. They pay you through paper, which is the fastest and safest. Okay, they can send you through airtime. Okay, and they'll send you shopping voucher or price draws. Okay, it's very easy. So if you just want to get started, just click on the join now button. Okay, and you can sign up with your Facebook account or Google account, or enter your name, gender, date of birth, the country you live in. Okay, so that automatically detected my country, Nigeria. Okay, then enter your password and register. That's very easy. Okay, and the third website here is Pakazani. Okay, pakazani.com. Okay, is a global panel with rewarded service, cash offers and more. Okay, just see that it's very simple. Your email, your first name, last name, email address, username, password. Okay, and read the terms and conditions before you sign up. Okay, and you get rewarded to take paid surveys, cash offers, and they give you daily bonus. And you can get paid through PayPal, gift card, and you get paid directly to your bank. Okay, and you can level up your account. I think when you do take more tax, you can level up your account, and when you level your account you have more tax to complete. And also when you bring in people, you earn money by inviting people to this platform. Okay, and these are some of their ads provider. Okay, App Store, Peanut Lab is for offers. Okay, so it's very easy, just sign up today to get started. So before I show you the last website, please comment down the country you are watching this video from so I can keep posting content available in your country. And if you are here to subscribe, kindly hit the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Okay, I really appreciate if you do that. And please give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so the last website here is survey. Okay, survey.com. Okay, so this is also something similar. Earn money completing surveys. Okay, it's very easy. Just click on the register here button here to get started. But let's go through the website. Okay, so what is survey? Yeah, we send surveys paid in euros, okay, convertible into either on paper or as Amazon voucher. Okay, so you learn how to make money on the internet or how to save money while running the same lifestyle. Okay, so you actually just taking surveys. Okay, so how to earn with survey here. Okay, how it works. Okay, sign up, answer survey and earn cash. After registering and completing the profile, you will soon start receiving surveys via email. Okay, once you have completed them, they will after completing them will be credited your first dollar or pounds. Okay, when you reach the minimum threshold, you can convert into your PayPal or gift card voucher. Okay, so you can see PayPal, Western Union, Skrill, MoneyGram or Amazon gift card. Okay, so it's very easy and you get service via email. So to just register, just click on the register here and you get started immediately. So with these 4 websites I've showed you now, okay, you'll be able to make up to $10 daily. Okay, so you don't need skills for anything, just sharing your own opinion online. Okay, so I hope this will actually help you making your money. Okay, so if you encounter any error while registering any account, okay, just comment down below. I reply to all comments. Okay, so that will be all for today. Thanks for watching. Do have a nice day.